you doing?
Trying to cut my hand off like this compost.
You don't have compost. You don't have compost.
No,
sorry, I'm just trying to turn this radio down.
Then I can just lay in the house and drink beer.
Oh yeah.
Fuck the compost.
Yeah. So I know you did the video on this cab already, but there was a couple of people that wrote in and said they were saying that you might find some other stuff. And I just wanted people to know that this cab was blasted and that this black that you see on here is the epoxy sealer primer, or the sealer primer that we put on it after it came back from being blasted. So there isn't going to be any surprises, but you failed to mention that in the other video. So I just want to clarify, because people are wondering that you're still going to find other stuff and other issues.
Just in areas there it's rusted and you cut it and there's, you know, some of these old cabs, they sandwich metal together, like two pieces together.
Right. Yes,
so,
yes.
You know, like you're cutting.
Good point.
You're cutting like something like this out in here, cutting this big patch out, but then you get it behind, and there's another piece that's rusted in there, right?
Good point.
Yeah. So that's about all that. Yeah. But whatever.
So what have you done on here today?
Nothing.
Okay.
I'm working on seat brackets over here for Derek at Custom Creations down the road for the upholstery.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. So there's one welded up and ready to go. And then this one I just tacked it, and then my mind went off other places and I went onto the cab and I forgot to finish this. So yeah, that's usually how it works here.
Okay, cool.
I think I got them the right way. They look right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, no, this one's backwards. Look, see? This is supposed to be.
Oh yeah, so it is, see? Well, that would explain why I only tacked it, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Hang on, put it back down.
Yeah, it is backwards. Yeah, it is. That should be up there.
Yeah, that should be under there.
Well,
so it's a good thing you just tacked it.
Yeah, I did only tack it. Where'd I tack it? One tack there. And one tack there. It's actually only got two tacks holding that piece on. Okay. Well, see, that's probably, maybe that's what happened. Oh, you know what? That's right. I tacked this morning, and this was getting painted, and then I went and grabbed this, and then I realized it was wrong, and then I just forgot about it.
Okay, cool.
I went onto this because I just got pissy and said, fuck it, because it's time to rant! Why can't that son of a bitch who's working the grinder and the welder get the fucking thing right the first time? What's the matter with that cocksucker anyway? It's because he's got so many jobs on the go he can't think straight.
I have a rant.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's that?
Women drivers.
Oh, they're fucking useless anyway.
I can't stand
As drivers.
Drivers.
Not all of them.
Well, not me.
No.
You even admit that I'm a better driver than you. Yeah, put it out there. It's on YouTube.
I'm not saying nothing. I don't recall even saying that.
Oh.
I must have been drunk with Bruce.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, women drivers, I don't understand why it's so hard. I do not get it. I don't understand why they don't know where their vehicles are. I don't understand why they have to multitask and put their fucking makeup on. I don't get it. Totally don't get it. Anyways, if anybody wants to hear that full rant, let me know.
That's right. What's going on, Mr. Chris?
Richard's outside.
Who?
Richard, tow truck.
Oh!
Okay.
Matt.
Oh, the vet. Okay. Well, that's good timing.
Just drop it anywhere. Oh, there it is. Bruce?
Oh, look at that.
How's it look? Better? Looks a lot better.
What a happy accident that was. Getting it back while I got the camera running. So there it is, Bob and Gina coming off the tow truck. Back here, we're gonna put the hood and the trunk on, and then Bob's gonna come and get it, and they're gonna put the rest of the stuff on, like all the trim and all that good stuff. They're gonna put that all on themselves. So this is probably, well, I guess we'll do a video when we get the hood and the trunk on, but at least you got to see it when it came off the truck. Looks pretty nice. It's a nice color. Is there a puppy? Somebody said puppy.
He's like a mini Bondo.
It is a mini Bondo.
Oh my!
Holy Lisa!
Oh my God!
Hey, hold on. That's awesome.
Oh my God!
Look, he's almost taller than Bruce.
so mean.
Pee on his foot.
Nothing but shots. Shit and abuse
shots.
around here. Shit and abuse. Oh, goodness.
Oh my.
What's his name?
Curve.
Kurt?
Curve.
Curve. Oh, look at you. How come you're so cute? Look at that face.
Bondo used to be cute. That happened. He grew up.
Hi.
I gave you 70 last
Look
time,
at those
didn't I?
sleepy
Thanks.
eyes.
Cheers.
Cheers, man. Yeah.
All right, we're going to sign off here so that I can play with this dog.
He was
So
saying
it's always a
that
good
you
time,
got
real time.
red car in there.
See ya.
Finish that.